What is going on, guys? It is your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hype beast. I am live, I am well. Today is a good day and hopefully you are having a great Sunday. I know I'm gonna post this on Sunday, so hopefully you're having a great chilled Sunday today. Right now I am on the way to the gym. As you can tell, I'm trying to get massive. I'm doing a 6-month challenge right now for myself, feel better in myself, and let me know if you guys actually go to the gym. And yeah, I do know how stupid and obnoxious I look in this. And then after the gym, we're gonna go home and I've got a couple packages, some fire packages. I don't know if you know, but Saru General, he sent me a few bits, so we're gonna unbox those. And then at the end of the video, I have a crazy shoe to show you guys. So I'm gonna go into the gym right now and I'll see you after I'm done getting massive.
2 hours later.
Okay people, so I finished the gym. I'm gonna go home, get in the shower, become a new man, and then I'll see you in my room when we unbox some fire. Okay, so we are back people. We are a new man, and now we have a few things to unbox. So the first thing, if you don't know, somehow my boy Kais had his own collaboration with Stance. Now Stance is like a massive sock brand that like sell basically fire socks. Anyway, he had a Dream Crew collab X Stance, which is crazy, and I just want to say a massive congratulations to him. I showed him some love on my Instagram. He sent me the F&F pair. He did actually send me an F&F pair with like the whole VHS packaging and all that. Massive shout out to you. But I thought I would support, and when they dropped online, I thought I would buy my own. This is the like tan color. There's like a whole story behind it, but just go to Kais's channel. He can explain way more than I can, but this is actually, I think, my favorite colorway. This is like a tan with like a gray line, and then it has his logo down the side. So that's the gray ones. And then he did a white, black, and red. But just wanted to cop these just to be like, well, he's just such a great guy, so I thought, why not just support his collaboration? Now, the next package we have right here is something I have wanted for the longest time, and a Supreme item, or a couple of Supreme items I just could not get my hands on, and Saru General made it happen. If you don't know who Saru General is, he is a crazy Instagram seller. He gets the craziest rare, Supreme, and vape stuff, and he does drops every week, every Sunday. He does loads of crazy drops over on his Instagram. So I'll leave his Instagram on the screen whilst I'm just butchering this box. But anyway, he sent me a few things. Now this isn't a mystery box, but oh my god, I'm just gassed to have these items in my collection. So, what is this little thing here? Okay, so he sent me obviously his little Saru General sticker. I appreciate it. And then what do we have in this envelope? I actually don't know what is in here. Oh, sick. Okay, so he sent me a sticker. Wow, this is the CDG polka dot sticker in the black. I've actually never even seen this sticker. I don't have this sticker. I have so many stickers, but this is a sick sticker. How many times did I just say sticker? Anyway, I didn't actually ask for this, but I appreciate you. Fire sticker to add to my collection. Now, oh my god, look at this right here. I have never been so excited for a little plastic pistol in my entire life. We have a Supreme water gun. Now, as I'm actually recording this, yesterday was the Supreme drop for the Nerf water blaster that just came out. Let me get it for you. The Nerf water. Anyway, I did a fire Instagram picture with the water blaster. So if you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you go and follow my Instagram. It's at Ari Petru. But now, mate, we have got all the Supreme water guns on deck. Now this little water pistol right here, so rare, it dropped years and years ago. This little water pistol goes for like £200 and the red one goes for like £250. It's crazy. This is like a £10 water pistol. It literally retailed for like £10. How about right there? Water pistol on display. Now the next item, well, the last item that we have in here is an item I have wanted for the longest time. It's all packaged up nicely, thank God. I have no idea where the hell I'm gonna put this, but guys, we have a Supreme Rough. Now this isn't the kayak that dropped like recently. This dropped I think in like 2015 or something like that. This dropped a good while ago. how the hell am I gonna blow this thing up? I have no idea. How does it even blow up? Attention, use at your own risk. This is not a life-saving device. Use only under competent supervision. Will not protect against drowning. 2013, it says it right there. I have no idea if you can see that, but basically this won't stop you from drowning. Will not protect against drowning. Okay, I give up. This is probably gonna take me like an hour to blow up, so I'm not gonna put you through the hell of that, and I'm not even gonna put myself through the hell of that right now. But guys, we have got some fire items. We got the raft, we got the little water pistol from a few years ago, and we recently have the Super Soaker 50 water blaster. Anyway, as it was the Supreme drop yesterday, I'm just gonna put in a few clips. I didn't film the whole drop, but I filmed a little bit, so I'm gonna put a few clips in from when I was actually at Supreme yesterday. Okay, so right now I'm on the way to go and pick up my water gun, some shorts that dropped today, these S logo shorts. They're kind of fire, but obviously the most important thing is the Water Blaster 05 2000, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, so these red like S logo shorts, this is this material was saying, kind of nice, but so these S logo shorts dropped today. Honestly, quite fire, and they're like £90. So just thought, why not? They're kind of like a towel material. But obviously, the best item today. Let me see this thing. What am I? Look at this. The Super Soaker 2000. And this is what it looks like. Oh, this is the thumbnail right here. And then look, they got like a mini Super Soaker keychain, which is actually fire. No, it doesn't. It shoots water.
That's so sick. That's
so sick. I'm definitely gonna have this. Definitely gonna have this on my keys. But mate, we're Super Soakered out here. We got one. Whatever. Need to wipe the camera because I actually just put water all over it. Anyways, that was Supreme yesterday, and if you didn't already notice, yes, I got a haircut, so that's why my hair is super long yesterday. But a couple of days ago, I got a really fire cop, and I need to show you guys. I unboxed it the other day over there, so let's take you guys back to a few days ago and go to the other side of the room where I unboxed some complete fire. I'll see you over there. Yes, people. I am so gassed that I have these shoes right now. So gassed. Today, what we are gonna do is we are gonna be unboxing what is in this package right here. As you can see, very fragile. And basically, I'll be giving you a review of what the hell is in this box. And personally, I don't know yet, haven't seen the shoe in person, but this might be one of my favorite off-white sneakers that I own. Guys, also, if you wanna see a Ari Petru off-white full sneaker collection, or in fact maybe full off-white collection in general, I'd like to show you my sneakers. I have like maybe over 20 pairs of off-white sneakers, and if you haven't already guessed it, what is inside here is another pair. And I think probably the most I've paid for an off-white sneaker, I think. Anyway, enough with the rambling. Boom! Supreme knife, of course. Okay, here we go. Don't need this. So guys, what we have right here, Air Force One Nike box. Obviously it says Air Force on there. I'm not sure if you can see because it's white on white. Woo! Damn, I'm excited about these. Come, let's pull it over a bit more. Oh my God. Guys, this off-white Air Force One right here, only released in Chicago at Virgil's, some sort of crazy museum pop-up that he was doing just for like a week, only in Chicago. He did a Louis Vuitton pop-up there as well. I think they must have been next door on the same street. I'm not 100% sure, but basically last week in Chicago, it went down, and these released. And they also released on the Nike Sneakers app. Obviously, the Nike Sneakers app is a complete load of shit, and I didn't cop. In fact, I probably was asleep. I managed to get a good price, and I just pulled the trigger, and here they are. There are two different versions of this. There's the Complex Con, which was the first basically deconstructed Air Force. Then there was the MoMA, which was kind of similar concept, but released in New York. They're black and silver. And now the Chicago ones we have are blue and silver now. Oh my God, I'm so gassed. It really was expensive. These shoes are going for like $2,000, like easily. And but anyway, let's get into the shoe. I'll leave that right there. Oh my God, the one with the tag actually looks nicer because there's like a little red back tab here, and that actually looks super, super nice. You've got the white Air there, the silver tick, which is like an aluminium Nike tick. Obviously, on the inside here, we have another swoosh, off-white, whatever the hell it wants to say. Now, the leather on these, it's kind of plush, but I feel like it could be better. I do have the other off-white Air Forces. I have the Volt ones, I have the black ones. I did have the OG ones, but I sold them to Giancarlo, and which I really shouldn't have because I still really, really need that shoe. Now, I'm kind of worried because somebody told me that they fit really big. Now, I usually get a 7.5 in Air Forces, and for some reason I decided to get an 8. So I'm about to put this on my foot right now, and hopefully I don't regret it. These shoes are going for a crazy amount right now, and honestly they look really, really, really nice. I love the color of blue. It's not like a real royal blue. It's not like the same as the UNC blue either. I'm gonna do some on-feet shots for you guys right now, and hopefully you do enjoy them. Okay, so I actually didn't end up doing any on-feet shots, and that's because these Air Forces actually fit a little bit big, and I'm trying to find a size down. So I didn't want to put them on, go outside and all that, and unds them because, well, then I won't be able to sell them. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and sell this pair, which is a UK 8, and then actually try and get a UK 7 or a 7.5. That's how big that these, well, let me get them. That's how big these Air Forces actually fit. So hopefully I can find a size down. And honestly, these shoes are complete fire. I love the colorway, and I can't wait to actually get my size and start rocking them. Great for summer, and I cannot wait to wear them. But guys, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. We picked up loads of bits: water pistol, super soaker blaster, raft, some $2,000 off-white sneakers. I'm actually doing a giveaway right now with Stadium Goods, and it ends in about a week's time. So if you want to go ahead and enter it, just go to my previous video. All the rules are in my previous video. I am giving away not one pair of Travis Scott Jordans, but 2 pairs of Travis Scott Jordans. So if you want to go ahead and enter that giveaway, go to my previous YouTube video and go and check that out. But guys, as I said, please do subscribe. I'm only 5,000 subscribers away from 200K. It means so much to me, so if we could please try and hit 200K as soon as possible and not make it an eternity. Follow me on Instagram as well, @AriPetru, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace on.